Hey guys, my name is Vijay Pisal and here I took up a challenge doing 100 days of sketching. Yes, every day I will do a sketching for at least 30 minutes and that is also live on YouTube. In that I'm going to do the sketching on topics like a human anatomy, animal anatomy, object drawings, perspective, comic heroes and much more with a lot of details and unique tips. To attain that you have to do just 2 clicks. One, for subscribe my channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and second one on the notification bell icon. That's all. After that you will get all the notification about these live sessions and upcoming events. So let's spread the word among all our friends and see you live.